was a peaceful evening. I had just finished a long day of patient consultations when the call arrived. A special request to curate a dish for our Honourable Prime Minister and lifestyle tips for him and the country. A dish that just wasn't food, but a tribute to our Bharat, our roots, our people, our citizens. We had only a few hours. Every ingredient and superfood was chosen with care. Every spice carried the essence of our land. My team, unstoppable, worked through the night, through dawn, through every obstacle. This wasn't just food, it was our legacy in the making. And then the day arrived, I had the honor of meeting and presenting it to our Prime Minister, a proud and a historic moment, a dish that would live on across generations. But joy comes with sacrifice. I had to miss my daughter's school event, a concert, a broken promise, a lesson learned. I know how much it meant for her for me to be there. Her sacrifice means the world to me, and we learn from each other's sacrifices in this lifetime. And I hope one day she will see that this was for something greater than us, for our Bharat and the people that we serve. To my team, to my daughter, to this nation, this moment is ours. This is our legacy. This is just the beginning. A dish for Bharat, lifestyle tips for Bharat, a legacy for generations.